Babe, what's up?
Hello?
Hello, how are you? Hello, can you hear me?
Hello?
Hello?
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening, ma. How are you, ma?
Fine, sir.
I've been waiting for your call since. I said I will speak with my sweetheart.
I just reached home now, so I decided to call.
Okay, hope your people, are they sleeping already?
Yes.
Okay.
Mm.
I really love you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So, hey, can we see tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so where do I wait for you? Tomorrow I won't go to work. Hello?
Hello?
So where do I wait for you?
At the gate.
At the gate of Becky too?
Yes.
No. Don't do it like that. Okay, you know what you will do? So maybe you will go to church and you will go to school tomorrow.
No, we are on holiday.
Okay, you're on holiday. Okay, do you know City College?
Yes, sir.
You know the school, the gate entrance to the City College?
Yes, sir.
You can have park and wait for you there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you will just take bike. Don't worry, I will pay for the bike. Like what time?
10, sir.
Okay, all right. I'll wait for you by 10, okay? So, but when we go out, I will go out, we can stay till what time?
4, sir. 4 is okay.
Okay, 10 to 4, Abby?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, I'll wait for you till by 10 tomorrow, okay?
Okay, sir.
All right. When you're about to leave the house, just call me, okay?
Okay, sir.
All right, okay. I'll see you tomorrow.
Hello, Oga. So you don't have shame? Eh? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
So you don't have shame. This is the mother you are talking to.
So,
You don't have shame for a 16 years old girl.
Oh, he's 16?
What?
I'm very sorry.
What nonsense? You are asking her if she's going to school. You are asking me if she's 16 years. So how old is a child that is still going to
Okay,
secondary school?
madam, I'm very sorry.
What kind of attitude do you have?
I'm very sorry.
I have put this call on record, and I am going to put this call on every social media handle that cares to hear about it.
Okay, madam, please. I take God beg you. I'm very sorry.
What is the God you are using to beg me? At your age, are you not old enough to be her father?
I'm very sorry, madam.
You are telling her to come out to City College, and you are telling her how to lie to her parents.
No, I'm very sorry,
madam. What are you?
Madam, please, I'm take God beg you. I'm very sorry.
I have recorded it, and if you're on WhatsApp, I will post this recording to you, and I will post it to Becky Group. Anybody that know your voice, let them hear it, and I will post it to social media.
Madam, I'm very sorry.
You are not sorry, Oga. You are not sorry.
You know what happened?
You need to be castrated.
Madam, wait.
How will you tell me that a 16 years old girl, you lifted a 16 years old girl that told you that she's going to the church, and you took her to the church, and you are telling her all sort of nonsense. You want to buy her phone, you want to do this one, you want to do that one. Have you finished taking care of your family?
I'm very sorry, madam. I promise you.
There's nothing to be sorry about.
It's a mistake. I'm very sorry.
It's not a mistake. Because now you are asking her if she's going to school tomorrow. She told you no. That means you know she's a secondary school student. How old is anybody in SS3? How old is a child in SS3?
Madam, I'm very sorry.
You don't know me, oh. You don't know me.
I didn't know. I don't know you.
Yes, exactly. You don't know who I am.
I'm very sorry.
Why you think you can toy with my daughter, Abi?
I'm very sorry, madam. I'm very sorry.
There's nothing to be sorry about, Oga. I wanted you to talk the rubbish that you have in your mouth, so that you will finish. I will have a record of all the nonsense you have to say, and I will publish it. You are telling her your wife is late. If your wife is late, why can't you go and look for a matured woman to get married to?
Oh, I'm still searching now.
You are still searching, Abi? And if you are searching is a 16-year-old girl, you are going to start and meet.
Madam, I never know she's underage. I never know. I'm very sorry.
You don't know she's underage. Yes, she told you she's still with her parents. You see a girl like that and you don't know she's underage?
I'm very sorry, madam. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. I never know she's underage. I'm sorry.
You say you don't know if she's underage. Don't you have children at home?
I'm very sorry.
Don't you have children at home? You're telling me you don't know she's underage.
I never knew. I thought maybe she's 18. I'm telling you.
Even if she's 18, okay, how old are you? If she's 18 years, I'm asking you, how old are you? Are you not over 50?
It's okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You want to carry your car and go and pick her in City College? That God will use and punish your life there. I'm going to publish it on Becky Estate Group. And I will let them know how useless you are. You think I don't know you? I know you very well. Oko Anthony. I know you very, very well.
I'm very sorry, madam. So, it was like, okay. I didn't say you shouldn't publish it. I didn't even publish it now. So, it was a word I said. You would have waited for me, let me make attempt. You don't understand.